What's up guys, Initiative here. Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna show you how to get rid of this pesky thing. This is just an overlay, by the way, because I already fixed it and I forgot to record beforehand. So, I'm gonna show you how to fix this error right here. So, let's get into it. Right, so the first thing you gotta do is hit Windows and R. See? You gotta type in, I've already got it preloaded, but REGEDIT. Alright, you're gonna have to hit OK and yes. Now, you're gonna have to copy and paste this from the description down below, or you can take a quick screenshot right here. I'll full screen it for you. HKEY_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/policies/system. You're going to go right here to enable LUA. You're going to switch this. It's going to be a 1 by default. You're going to switch that to a 0 and you're going to click OK. Alright? And then, once you do that, your computer will prompt you to restart. Now, if that hasn't fully finished or fully fixed your issue, what I found, you're gonna have to go over to updates, right? And this is where it gets sort of sketchy-ish. You're gonna want to go to view update history and uninstall updates. And you're gonna want to uninstall the latest security update. This is where it gets sort of sketchy. Hopefully you won't have to do that, but because I was running a crypto mining software, I had to do it. And there's other softwares of the like. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes to uninstall the latest update, and then you'll just restart your PC and everything should keep working. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.